So, COVID will impact the world of work in three major ways in my head. One, the number of jobs available. Number two, the quality of work. Number three, just the effects on the most vulnerable employees. And while, of course, the male dominant manufacturing and construction industries have suffered the biggest blows, women are particularly exposed to this crisis. They're on the front lines of the fight against the virus in itself, making up for 70% of the global healthcare workers. They also make up for a majority of employees in parts of economy that have probably been hit the hardest by this lockdown, from leisure to hospitality to retail. Industries in which women make up for a great share of the workforce have actually been brought to a halt. And women are also more likely to hold temporary and part time positions, the type of jobs employers are more likely to cut first, right, in tough times like these. With pay gaps as large as 35 to 40% plus salary cuts, it actually becomes slightly unsustainable. Earning less, saving less, just holding less stable jobs might reduce women's ability to actually absorb the aftershocks of these exceptional times.